In this video, we'll be solving quadratic equation using factoring method or factorization, meaning we'll find the factors of the equation. First, quadratic equation or equation whose highest term is raised to second power. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c are the constant and x is the variable. Note for quadratic equation, the second term and the last term may be deleted, but the first term should always be present to consider the equation as quadratic equation. Example: x squared plus 2x minus 63 is equal to 0. X squared is the first term, 2x the middle term, and the last term is 63. In factoring method, we're gonna find out the factors of the last term, and the factors of the last term should be the difference of the middle term. So the factors of the last term, 63, is 1 and 63, 3 and 21, and 9 and 7. In these three pairs, we'll find the difference of these three pairs. Difference of 1 and 63 is equal to negative 62 or 62 if interchanged. And 3 minus 21 is negative 18. 9 and 7 is equal to 2. Trivia for digits whose sum is equal to 9 is divisible by 9. So the right factors for this equation is 9 and 7. Note, the negative sign indicates that the factors has different sign. One of it will be negative and one will be positive. And the positive sign indicates that the largest number should be positive and the lowest number should be a negative sign. So the factors should be x plus 9 and x minus 7. Finding the roots, x plus 9 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 9. And the other root is x minus 7 is equal to 0. And so the other root is equal to 7. That's the way you find the root of a quadratic equation using factoring method. Thanks.